Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Anpviz 5 megapixel PoE IP camera with human and vehicle detection. It's a smart dual light color night vision wired security camera for outdoor use. With audio microphone, 140 degrees wide angle of view, 120 decibel WDR. That makes better and nicer movies and pictures. The IP67 waterproof level means that it's the H series. We have person and vehicle detection. The Anpviz 5 megapixel PoE IP camera utilizes smart AI technology for person and vehicle detection. It reduces false alarms triggered by leaves and other objects. It also supports area monitoring, enhancing surveillance capabilities. And we have a smart dual light color night vision mode. This is equipped with an IR and a warm light source. The upgraded 5 megapixel PoE camera ensures a clear image in various lighting conditions. When it's nighttime, the warm light illuminates the people or vehicles are detected, providing colorful images, of course. Night vision in color. In the absence of objects, it switched to the RR mode for clear black and white images. And we have multiple working solutions. This 5 megapixel PoE camera enjoys seamless compatibility with third-party on VIF and VRs and software, such as iSpy, Blue Iris, and Milestone. It's plug and play with the Anpviz H series and VRs offer optical performance. The PoE camera is viewable on web browsers like Edge, Google Chrome, and Firefox. We have one-way audio and H.265+. To capture vivid videos with sound using the built-in microphone and environment noise filtering with the H.265+ compression. We can store more information using few hard drives, which allows us to do more with less and dramatically reduce the file size with this latest video comprehensive formats. And the IP67 waterproof and 2.8mm wide angles brings us a good lens. The IP67 waterproof technology protects the outdoor IP camera from dust and rain, while the wide-angle 2.8mm fixed lens offers a 114 degrees field of view for large area coverage. This is perfect for outdoor applications, and it is possible to make human and vehicle detection. We have smart dual light color night vision. The built-in microphone, 120 decibel WDR, and IP67 waterproof level. That means when human or vehicle detected by the camera during nighttime, there comes the LED flash. We can get real-time alert and clear recording videos. It's nearly like the daytime, and the distance of the color night vision is 67 feet. The distance of the IR night vision is 100 feet. And we have human, vehicle, no animals, and no leaves detection. That's good because of the fall alerts, of course. Then, smart dual light colors for night vision included. Then, human and vehicle detection. This function is enabled in default. We can disable it on NVR or web browser to get full motion detection too. And, of course, we can activate the Anpviz H series camera and add it to a Guardian Vision app, for example. We can use a method to add the camera Guardian Vision app when our camera is connected to a DC 12 volt or a PoE switch. So you can change and add a lot of stuff how you like to see what the camera recorded. We can make this by using directly to the camera to an NVR. That means an HD PoE NVR. We can connect it via a patch cable, and we can connect this HD PoE NVR to a router, and then job's done. We can stream video comprehensive default. If the NFR only supports 1920 to 1080, we should modify the resolution of the camera by accessing to the web browser. And then, of course, we can also connect it to a PoE switch, the camera directed to a PoE switch with a patch cable, and then the PoE switch with a router. And after this, for example, we can go to an HDR NVR with or from or off the router direction. And this is easy. And of course, the third way of connection is, as you saw in that video here, is to connect it with remote viewing, Guardian Vision. Easy peasy. Then, of course, we can log in by using the browser in a tablet, in a computer, or on another device to get access to our camera system. We have a camera body, and this camera body is full metal. A full metal way. The connectivity of the camera works with a patch cable and optional with a 12-volt DC power. Ethernet cable to the camera. And the power supply will come from the NVR. If you does not have an NVR, you can connect it directly to the router system or to an accelerator or something else. Then we need an AC adapter for that. So you see a lot of stuff, a lot of functions, a lot of connectivity possibilities. Or we go to a PoE switch with PoE injector, 48 volt, directly by using the patch cable. And the 12 DC power is the router, for example. That's possible too. So you can see a lot of possibilities to get this onto it. We have a dome camera here, a mounting kit, a mounting template, and easy peasy installation, of course. And if you have this setup done, you can add a lot of other camera systems to the system which you like to use. So you can control a lot of camera systems, professional style with that camera and the other cameras too. Because Anpviz 5 megapixel PoE IP camera with human and vehicle detection is a professional camera system. Wired connection. No bad stuff here. This is professional stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.